Good evening, class 9. Adaptation, unit 17, continue. Is part 2. It's better to write down part 2. Part 1 already finished. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already finished. Now, today I continue question number 7. Write advantages and disadvantages of bacteria. Bacteria was actually discovered by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. It is bigger than virus but smaller than fungi. Advantages, merits or advantages, फाइदाहरू. They improve soil quality and soil fertility, especially for an agricultural country like Nepal. नेपाल जस्तो देशमा सोइल क्वालिटी र फर्टिलिटी बढाउनु पर्छ. त्यसले इम्प्रुभ गर्छ ब्याक्टेरिया. They are very useful. They help to make vitamin B12, vinegar, sucamilo, alcohol and beer, protein, enzymes, acetone and so many other organic compounds. Number 3, they are used to manufacture antibiotics. Actually, penicillin and penicillium, antibiotics and medicine. ब्याक्टेरियाबाट हुने रोग निको पार्नलाई ब्याक्टेरिया नै प्रयोग गरिन्छ. नम्बर आइबी ल्याक्टोबेसिलस ब्याक्टेरिया or lactobacillus bacteria, or sometimes you can even write lactobacillus acidophilus. Both are correct. Lactobacillus acidophilus. Since milk into curd, lactobacillus bacteria or lactobacillus acidophilus since milk into curd, दूधलाई दही बनाउँछ. Disadvantages as well. There are some disadvantages. Number 1, they cause diseases in plants, especially wheat, our crops, destroy our crops. They cause diseases, different diseases in human beings and other animals, like plague, town road, which killed many people in Europe many years ago. Cholera, Haiza, is a very chronic disease. Dysentery, leprosy, kushroog, typhoid, meningitis, which is a very fatal disease, syphilis, gonorrhea, etc. These diseases are caused by bacteria, so bacteria are harmful, but it is more useful than harmful. Question number 8. Mention advantages and disadvantages of fungi. Fungi are very useful. The advantages of fungi are as follows. To make antibiotics and medicine, औषधि बनाउन प्रयोग हुन्छ. To decay, especially dead organic matter, कुदाउनलाई मद्दत गर्छ. They are used in bakeries to make bakery items like biscuits, cakes, bread, etc. and so many other sweets. Yeast, actually yeast is a non-green plant which belongs to phylum division Thallophyta. Thallophyta, non-green plant. Yeast is a non-green plant. It is used to make alcohol and beer called beverages. Number IB, edible mushroom, which is also called खाने, in Nepali खाने हुने खालको mushroom च्याउ, provides minerals, protein, vitamin to us. So actually mushroom is a type of yeast. Yeast भित्र mushroom जस्तै पनि पर्छ. Disadvantages or advantages of yeast or bacteria or fungi. Fungi, one example is mushroom. Here mushroom means edible mushroom. There are some disadvantages of fungi. Write very simply and write disadvantages of fungi. Number 1, they cause diseases in plants. Because diseases in plants, they cause diseases in animals and human beings. Human beings. Some diseases caused by fungi are, example, skin rashes, allergy, itching disease, scabies भनेको लुतो, or itching disease or दाद, we can also say दाद. Different types of diseases are also caused, like skin rashes, allergy, itching disease, scabies, daag, etc. These diseases are caused by fungi, and fungi also they damage our goods and clothes or electronics also. And goods, clothes and electronics, especially in rainy season. In rainy season, they cause diseases in plants, they cause diseases in human beings like skin rashes, allergy, itching disease, scabies, दाद लुतो, allergy, चिलाउने रोगहरू लगाउँछ. They damage our goods, clothes and electronics in rainy season. बर्खायाममा यसले हाम्रो कपडाहरू, इलेक्ट्रोनिक सामानहरू, अरू सामानहरूलाई बिगार्ने काम पनि गर्छ. यो फङ्गाइको डिसएडभान्टेज हो.